So I just had to take a picture of this beautiful morning, except here we are just on the edge of Zorrillo. And the sun's going to kind of be in it, but they put some sort of a smelting factory or something back in there, and then they make road products, and when they burn off, we get incredible smoke. But this is what the kids live in, and this whole community lives in. I don't know if you can see the amount of smoke that's in the air. And this is the village of Zorrillo. And we're right back straight down this road here. We're down the road and base of that hill over there. It's really nasty stuff.